This is manufacturing, additive manufacturing with 3D printing. Additive manufacturing using 3D printing is a key component of advanced manufacturing, enabling the production of complex objects, shapes, and textures that is not possible with traditional manufacturing. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Additive manufacturing using 3D printing is a process where material is built up layer by layer, over and over again, until the object is complete. What is additive manufacturing used for? The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. From rapid prototyping in the automotive or aerospace industries to patient-customized prosthetics in healthcare, additive manufacturing offers flexibility in design and materials. Architects can create intricate scale models. The fashion industry is pushing boundaries with 3D printed clothing and accessories. The construction industry is printing homes, buildings, and infrastructure, such as bridges. And the culinary world is experimenting with 3D printed foods. What materials can be used in additive manufacturing? The versatility of 3D printing extends to an array of materials. Plastics like PLA and ABS for prototyping, metals such as titanium and stainless steel for durable parts, and ceramics and resins for detailed, complex structures. Operating a 3D printer is a simple process. 1. Create or download a 3D design using computer-aided design software. 2. Prepare the printer by loading the material and configuring settings like temperature and layer thickness. 3. Send the design to the printer and monitor the progress as the object takes shape. 4. Post-processing may involve cleaning, curing, or assembling parts to achieve the final product. And 5. Inspect and refine the part for quality assurance. The outlook for 3D printing is extremely positive, with more and more manufacturers discovering new ways to use the technique. That is where you come in. Manufacturers need machine technicians today. If you are ready to explore a career in 3D printing, complete and submit the Manufacturing Careers Interest Form located on this webpage.